already primed my eyes and did my eyebrows. I used the ABH Dip Brow in Caramel and the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Fair Warm to prime. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Revolution Alexa Stone palette. This is a palette. It has lots of colors, and the colors that I'm going to be going in with is from this row, from the blues. But before that, I'm going to take the ColourPop in a trans palette, and I'm going to go in with Future Self, which is this color right here, on a big fluffy brush, and just blend that all throughout my crease. Making sure it's nice and soft and blended. I'm thinking of going in with the Alexa Stone palette. I'm gonna go in the 5th row. It's number 12 in the palette, and I'm gonna take the JS9, this more fluffy pointed brush with that shade, and drag this throughout the crease also. So tapping it at the outer corner and just pack it on. And then slowly blend it out. Making sure to drag it all the way in.
This for sure, you have to take your time and blend it.
I cut out a lot of the blending, but I do sit here forever and make sure it's all nice and blended. So blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna go in with the J6 brush, and I'm gonna go in with number 19 from that same row, which is just under it. It's a bit of a darker blue, so we're just gonna build up the blue and then pack this and do the same. Okay, now I'm just gonna go back in with the same first fluffy brush and just blend all of this out. Make sure it's not harsh. I'm gonna go in with number 26, and that's the darkest blue in the palette. I'm gonna go in with the MAC 217, really deepen up the whole look. Packing it on the outer V, slowly blending it. Just gonna go in with the first brush again and just blend it. The usual, we'll be back to add the lid color. I already cut the crease. I used the e.l.f. Fair Warm Concealer, and to set my eyes I used the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and I used the shade Lynn, and I put that all over where I used the concealer. I'm gonna go back in with this brush with 12 and 19 mixed together and just blend this together. Just like that. I'm taking the MAC 217 with the deepest blue and using it to deep up the outer corner again. Okay, before we move on, I want to add some of the black from the palette to deepen even more. Before we go in with anything else, I'm going to take my moisturizer and just put that all over my face before our foundation. My face feels so dry. Going in with the NYX Honey Do Me Up as well. Blending that out with my pointed foundation brush. Going in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and my liquid highlight brush that I don't use for that, I use for my primer. And this I'm gonna take in the center of my face. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Beige and blending that out with my Real Techniques sponge. Going in with the C1.35 concealer, blending all that out. Going in with the Too Faced Peach My Cheeks powder blush, melting powder blush. I'm putting that on my cheeks. The Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. e.l.f. Stipple Brush to blend all of this out. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Butter Setting Powder to set my face. With my fluffy brush and my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze a bit. My setting brush from Real Techniques, but I'm gonna use this for my highlight. I'm gonna take the Milani Sun Glow Strobe Light, so this one again, and really highlight. I should have been using this highlight earlier. Going in with my Kabuki brush and my NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in Daydream. So I'm gonna add some snowflakes on it, and I'm gonna take the NYX white liquid liner and do my little usual line. Okay, so I added my little snowflakes. I tried my best. So now I'm gonna go in with a bit of the same shade. So I'm gonna take number 5 with my fluffy brush. Now, taking a little bit of the 2 shades under and putting that there as well. Now with the darkest blue, okay, the glitter, I forgot to grab the glitter adhesive primer thing, so I'm just gonna have to go in with the ColourPop Inner Trance palette again and take the shade All Aura again, which is this middle shade right here, and just pack that glitter all over my lid. I'm just gonna use my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes for a bit of mascara. Okay, so I already added the lashes, and now I'm just gonna go in with my KKW Nude 1 and just line my lips. I'm gonna go in with the KVD Vegan Beauty Liquid Lip in Lolita. I know this is probably gonna be weird, but I'm gonna take my super light concealer and just dab that in the center. I'm gonna take a little bit of the lifter gloss from Maybelline. This is the shade Ice, and I'm gonna put that in the center of my lip as well. So this is a finished look. So this was a super cute, fun look. I wanted to do something a little different. I mean, it's the holidays. I'll just get into the holiday spirit, even though this year sucked. But this was a collab with @CakedByMolly on Instagram, and also Michelle_78 and looks.by.shorty on Instagram, @by__Vanessa. But yeah, it was in collaboration with all of these ladies that I named. If you want to, go check it out. Show them some love as well. Go support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Let me know any other video ideas you guys have. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter @QueenB. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let everybody know I'm doing videos. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I just put my hand right into the palette. That's what I get.